Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you about our stock movement segment in our inventory. So first of all, let us go to inventory module, click on browse module, then we need to click on inventory. Now in the very top you will be able to see there is a stock movement. What exactly is it? So this is a list of all the stock movement which have happened into your store. So what data does it contain? It contains your manual adjustment, bulk manual adjustment, then after your stock transfer, your physical stock reconciliation. So each and every activity related to the store transfer or a stock transfer happened does manually, it comes here. So how you can go ahead and check that? So you need to go on filters. After going in filters, please check here is the movement type. So it is selected on all. You can select for manual adjustment, you can select for stock transfer, or you can select for physical stock reconciliation as well. Going below, all approved, pending, rejected. So I can see from here as well that which all stock transfer are approved, which are rejected, and which are in manual. So this is how you can very well go ahead and check the entire data, so that you may be able to go ahead and request your store person to go ahead and approve if any stock movement approval is pending. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to manage your stock movement. Have a good day ahead.